From Bangladesh, Mansoor Ahmad Sahab has submitted this question to Huzur for his kind comment. The question is, he says that now the war is limited within the boundaries of Afghanistan. So time might come when it will spread all around Pakistan.
Still beyond the borders.
In that case, what sort of protective measures Pakistani Ahmadi brothers should take?
Pakistani Ahmadis cannot have any protective measure apart from the one suggested by Hazrat Muslim Maud, that आग है पर आग से वो सब बचाए जाएंगे जो कि रखते हैं खुदाए जुल अजाइब से प्यार. There is fire, no doubt about it, but all those will be saved from the fire who have in their hearts love of Allah. So this has happened many times before during zalzala, etc., etc., during plague and so on and so forth. So it has been realized in the past, so it will be realized in the future, inshallah.